Hey friends, hope you all are doing well. So today the recipe that I have come up with is the Kadi Patta or the curry leaf chutney. Now Kadi Patta is used as an important ingredient in southern parts of our country. Kadi Patta is a natural immunity booster which contains vitamins A, B, C and B12. Along with this, it is also a source to iron and calcium. Now I do know that Kadi Patta is often considered to have a sour taste, but then you'll be amazed to see how wonderful this chutney turns out to be. So try it yourself and do share your views. So the ingredients that we are going to use are a bowl of Kadi Patta leaves. I have removed them from the stem, of course. 1 tablespoon of curd, salt to taste, 3 to 4 green chili, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, a small cube of ginger and some roasted peanuts. So now I'm just going to grind these all together until it turns into a fine paste, and this is when we know the chutney is ready to serve. The chutney is now ready, and this can be an amazing substitute for the coconut chutney. So do try out this, and yeah, it's a tried and tested recipe, so do not worry, it's going to taste amazing. So like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Stay safe.